It's so delicious that it's become a routine at home. A practical, nutritious, and flavorful recipe. I start by seasoning 500 grams of chicken pieces with salt, oregano, paprika, and 3 crushed garlic cloves. Mix well until the seasonings coat all the pieces. In a skillet with a bit of oil, I cook the chicken over low heat. Let it fry until golden, with the pan covered, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. In a large bowl, I place 4 eggs and beat them until well mixed. Add 4 tablespoons of heavy cream and 2 of mayonnaise. Now half a cup of all-purpose flour. Stir until you get a creamy and uniform batter. Add a handful of chopped parsley for freshness. Next, I incorporate the chicken we fried. This mixture will be the filling of our final recipe. Stay with me, and you'll soon discover the result. In a greased skillet, I sauté half a chopped onion until it's lightly golden. Add everything to our mixture. Now I add 100 grams of grated cheese. It will bring incredible texture and flavor. Meanwhile, I prepare the base. Mash 4 boiled potatoes until they become a puree. Spread this dough in a round baking dish greased with butter. With the base ready, it's time to place the filling on top. Tell me, have you guessed what dish we're preparing? And you, would you add another special ingredient to this filling? I'd love to hear your suggestion. I sauté half a white onion in a tablespoon of butter, and then add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Add half a cup of heavy cream, and a bit more parsley. Stir until it becomes a thicker cream. Pour this sauce over our pie and finish with tomato slices. On top, sprinkle 150 grams of grated cheese to gratinate. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 minutes. And it's ready. A creamy, golden, super tasty recipe. A meal that will be a hit with the whole family. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video with more mouth-watering ideas.